So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I am gonna talk about the Avenger Doomsday movie. So as you guys know that the upcoming Marvel movie that is coming, that is Avengers Doomsday. So on that movie we are going to see our Doctor Doom. Our Robert Downey Jr. will play the Doctor Doom character, and also many other multiversal things are going to be there. And today guys, actually in this video it's just a discussion video about the Avengers upcoming project Avenger Doomsday and also Avengers Secret Wars. So let's start our discussion. So first of all, if I talk, then obviously you guys know that recently Thunderbolts was released, and those were titled the New Avengers, and I have seen that movie recently, and that was really a very nice movie, very great movie. And guys, it was definitely better than the previous Brave New World, because in Brave New World the story was wasted completely. But though I still liked Brave New World, but still Thunderbolts were much better. So at the post-credit scene we also saw Fantastic Four ship is coming to the Earth 616, and according to the reports that scene was actually going to be in the Avenger Doomsday only. So the directors thought that if we will keep this scene in Thunderbolts, then it can make more hype for the future Fantastic Four movie. So that was very nice thing. And Fantastic Four first steps, as you guys know, that teaser also came, that's the trailer, and this movie is coming in July this month, when Superman movie is also coming. So Fantastic Four, we will see a new reboot, and here we will see with Rick Pascal as the new Reed Richards also. And we also saw in the trailer of Fantastic Four first steps that the Fantastic Four first steps will not be an origin movie, and in this movie we'll see comic accurate Fantastic Four and also comic accurate Galactus also, that we previously saw also in Silver Surfer movie, Rise of Silver Surfer, but that was just a cloud, and now we are seeing it as a whole character, and he destroys planet. And guys, many hopes are there, because we all know about it that the Fantastic Four team will come to the Marvel Cinematic Universe after their movie. So 99% possibility guys that Fantastic Four's universe will get destroyed. Now guys, there can be two ways. First of all, Galactus will only destroy the world, and Fantastic Four will be failed in their mission. And the second possibility guys is that Doctor Doom, actually that RDJ Doctor Doom, he will destroy the world, and many chances are there guys that RDJ cameo will be there in the upcoming Fantastic Four movie, because guys after that we are going to see Avengers Doomsday, and I think that before that Doctor Doom should make at least one cameo, because as you guys know that actually Doctor Doom was never planned before, but after Jonathan Majors controversy they added the new plan. So it's very important guys to develop the Doom's character in Fantastic Four first steps. And so we can conclude that because of that only the Fantastic Four team came to the Earth 616 in the post-credit scene of Thunderbolts. Other than that guys, some other projects like some Disney Plus show, you guys know Ironheart, that's also coming, that's not very important. A White Vision show can also come in the future in 2026 maybe. And other than that guys, after that we were about to see Avenger Doomsday, but guys today the news has come that Avenger Doomsday is delayed, and it's now going to be released in the end of 2026. So because of that, Spider-Man 4, means Spider-Man Brand New Day, which was previously planned that it will release after Doomsday, now it has been confirmed guys that this movie will release before, means Spider-Man Brand New Day, that will be of Tom Holland Spider-Man, that we will see in July. So actually guys, you guys know that cast announcement also was there of Avenger Doomsday that I am also going to discuss. So in the cast announcement we saw many important characters, but we didn't see the name of Tom Holland. And after that guys, you know that the news came that Spider-Man Brand New Day will act like Ant-Man and the Wasp. Like you guys know that in Infinity War, when Infinity War events were happening, on that time Ant-Man was not present because Ant-Man was in the Ant-Man and the Wasp events, and that's we are about to see that when Avenger Doomsday's events will occur. On that time Peter Parker will be not there because he will be busy in fighting some other villains in Brand New Day. But guys, now as the dates have changed, so now guys, almost 99% possibility that Tom Holland Spider-Man will appear in a great role, in a big role in Avenger Doomsday movie, because guys now Spider-Man 4 is coming before that, and I am really happy about that guys, that Spider-Man is getting his movie before that big Avenger project. And guys, if I talk about some more details about Avengers, means Spider-Man Brand New Day, then guys, in Spider-Man Brand New Day we saw, means actually there was a dispute between the Sony and Marvel. Sony wanted to bring back Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield in the movie and make it multiversal, but guys Kevin Feige wanted it to make some grounded theme. So now guys, it has been confirmed that Spider-Man Brand New Day will be a grounded project, and hopefully Mr. Negative and the Scorpion that we saw in Homecoming movie, they will also appear in Spider-Man Brand New Day. So Spider-Man Brand New Day, I think that will be also a very great movie, and it will act as a reboot, soft reboot for the Tom Holland Spidey. And after that, if I talk then Avengers Doomsday, and if you guys have seen or read the leaked script of the previous Avenger Kang Dynasty, on that we saw that Tom Holland was about to be the anchor being of the MCU. And so I think guys, it may happen, and if it happens guys, in Avenger Doomsday we will see that our RDJ's Doctor Doom will betray our Tom Holland Spider-Man, because obviously Doctor Doom looks like Tony Stark, so he will betray the Spider-Man, and after that he may kill him also. So there's also possibility guys that Spider-Man may get killed in Avenger Doomsday. And other than that guys, in Avenger Doomsday, if I talk about some casts, then many casts had been confirmed. Especially the best thing is that we are also getting our old original X-Men characters, means our Professor X that we saw in the X-Men Days of Future Past, that's legendary role that he also played in Multiverse of Madness. Other than that guys, Magneto is also confirmed in the old movies that we saw, the Magneto of X-Men, X-Men 2, X-Men 3, that. And also guys, we are also going to get Cyclops from our Days of Future Past universe, and we are also going to see Mystique character also. So X-Men Days of Future Past characters are going to return guys, and Hugh Jackman's Wolverine is still now not confirmed, but guys, there's a very big possibility that Hugh Jackman Wolverine is also coming. And also guys, our Deadpool, Ryan Reynolds will also play our Deadpool in the Avenger Doomsday, because you guys know that we saw TV and multiversal concept in Deadpool and Wolverine. We saw about the Void and the Paradox, and that's all. So I think guys that at least Deadpool and Wolverine will definitely fight Doctor Doom in Avenger Doomsday. There's a very high possibility, and I think guys that's only some characters, some special characters are going to appear in Avengers Secret Wars. Other than that, the main characters are definitely going to be in Doomsday. Other than that guys, Storm's character is also not confirmed, and I think that she will also return. And Jean Grey, that's also not confirmed. I think guys this will return, because guys the original X-Men casts are returning. So I am guys very happy, because last time we saw the original X-Men casts in 2014 in the Days of Future Past universe. Other than that guys, we are also going to see our new Fantastic Four team, and there's a possibility guys, I guess it's true, I will be super happy if they will bring back the OG Fantastic Four. Means literally guys, the OG Fantastic Four team was, I really liked that team in 2005 and 2007, though the movies were not at all great. Still guys, I liked them. And other than that, the some more Avengers are also confirmed, like Shang-Chi. That sequel was cancelled due to some reasons, but we are going to see Shang-Chi in Avenger Doomsday. Other than that, we are also going to see Ant-Man and our new Captain America, our new Falcon that we saw in Brave New World. These characters will also be in our future Avengers Doomsday, and I think guys, they will form the team of the Sam Wilson's Captain America. Means at the end of Thunderbolts, we got a hint that Sam Wilson is making his own Avengers team. So I think guys, Falcon, the new Captain America, Shang-Chi, Ant-Man, and Thor most probably, and Namor, these characters will mainly in the new team. Other than that, some more characters are also there, means the young Avengers like Miss Marvel, and some more like Iron Heart, and also there are some many characters that are young Avengers, and also Clint Barton's daughter. So those characters we have not till now confirmed, but guys, I think that those will also be in our Avenger Doomsday. Other than that, Moon Knight, I think guys, Moon Knight will be also there in the Avenger Doomsday movie. Other than that guys, Daredevil and Punisher, I hope so that they will be there. Let's see now what happens, because Daredevil Born Again, we saw that very great season, the Daredevil Born Again season 1, and in the upcoming days we are also going to see Daredevil Born Again season 2 also. So now let's see. And these some characters that are planned to return in Avenger Doomsday. Other than that, many big characters are missing, such as our Hulk, Mark Ruffalo as Hulk, Clint Barton, our Hawkeye, that is Jeremy Renner. Other than that, we have Don Cheadle as the War Machine, and Captain Marvel, Miss Marvel. And these are some characters that are missing, and also the new Guardians of the Galaxy team, and also Star-Lord, they are also missing. So now let's see, because Marvel has confirmed guys that it's not the original, not the full cast. So I hope guys that they will confirm it. And if I talk about the news that Avengers Secret Wars and Avenger Doomsday have been delayed, so I think it's good also and bad also. Bad is that because we have to wait a lot now, but good thing is that now they are going to make it nicely, because I was also a little bit disturbed that why they are making it so fast. I think they should keep this project very nicely. So now it's logical, if you think, then I think it's good only, because now Avenger Doomsday will be better with VFX and CGI. And obviously Avenger Doomsday, we are going to see Doctor Doom, incursions will be there, multiversal wars, multiversal cameos, and more we will see in Secret Wars also. So definitely guys, it will be VFX CGI packed movies. So definitely guys, I think that it's good that they are taking time to make it, otherwise everything will go very wrong, and that we don't want. And also guys, that they have changed their direction, that's also a very crucial step. And now let's see what happens to the Kang the Conqueror. Means, yeah, I don't actually want that all the Kang variants getting killed by Doom, because I wanted to see the stories of the Kang variants and the Kang the Conqueror, but now we can't do anything. So either we will see them dying in Doomsday, or nothing will happen, and in off-screen death will be given to Jonathan Majors Kang. In Loki season 2 guys, Loki season 2 we saw Kang's ending, but that's not actual ending guys, if I say seriously. So now let's see what happens. And these I just covered some of the news, the latest news that come about the Avengers projects. And now I will also talk many other things in our next videos also. about Avengers Doomsday and Secret Wars. If I get any leak or any thing, so I will definitely try to make the video as soon as possible. And I'm also planning to make video on Superman movie and the new DC Universe future, because now James Gunn has also revealed many surprises, so I will also make other videos. So that was our video, guys. I hope you have liked this video. I just covered some Marvel news today's video. So now we will meet in the next video. Bye.